friends and people, ito, gagawa tayo ng ating peanut sauce dipping sauce for our Vietnamese spring roll. Ayan, meron na tayo dyan na calamansi juice. Tapos ayan, grate lang natin itong yung ating bawang. At ayan, meron na tayong grated na garlic. 1 clove of garlic lang yun. Nakalimutan ko meron pala tayo. Is yung pang squeeze, pang what's the term for that? Yung pang pino nung garlic. Anyway, eto na lang yung grater na lang ginamit. So, ang ating next ay yung ating sugar. Ayan. Mga 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then, yung ating peanut butter. And then, ito, next natin yung soy sauce. Mga 2 tablespoon of soy sauce. Tapos ito yung ating vinegar. Mga half teaspoon of vinegar. And then, ayan, mix lang natin. Blend it well. So, ito na yung consistency ng ating peanut sauce. Peanut dipping sauce. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.